guys, how's it going throughout this whole COVID thing? I just wanted to show you some new things I got. We will test them out later on, but these are Go Fire Ultimate All-Purpose Fire Starters. I've not tried them out yet. Figured I'd give it a shot. And I also got these Surestart fire lighting squares I've not tried out yet. We're going to try using a ferro rod on them and that and see how they work out. Just some more things I wanted to add to my fire kit. Also, I got 100-foot of rope I'm adding to it. New knife, which I'll show later. I also added this new small shovel with pick. Alright, now back to these. The Surestart fire lighting squares. I'll show you what they look like. Just break them off. Now we're going to try lighting it with striker and ferro rod. Quite easy. Very easy, actually. Fluff it out a little bit. There we go. It is burning very well. Alright, now we're going to try to ignite these. There it goes, caught a spark. So that ignited fairly decent. It's been a long time, but how's everybody doing? Hopefully good, staying home, staying safe. Unfortunately, I'm still working. But those were a couple new fire starters I had found. Figure we give them a try, throw them in the fire kit. It's raining out here, you can probably hear that. Been raining all day. So anyways, leave a comment below how everybody's doing. It's been a while. I'd like to hear from everybody. But take care for now. Yeah, I almost forgot. I got a new first aid kit that I threw together. We'll open it up here in another video when I get more time. Fortunately, I have to go to work here soon. But I just want to throw that in there too. It's a pretty nice little setup. This knife here was for my bug out bag, but it has become my everyday carry.